Come look what I got on my most recent run to Nails Plus in Richardson, Texas. I got some great things. Can't wait to show you. Of course, I never have enough of these nail tips and swatch sticks, so I definitely got me like a good array of those. Got them in like clear, see-through, matted, you name it. I got myself covered. Then I also bought some little wooden sticks, so that way when I'm doing my nail art and practicing, I can stick my little nail tip on the end of it. I've seen a lot of people do that. I haven't done it yet, but I figured it'd be a good idea. I have not tried Kiara's Guys Diamond FX, so I got myself a bottle. We'll have to go ahead and sample it. Holy moly, do you see that color? And look at that glitter. This is sickening. I may have to get myself the whole entire collection. Okay, we're gonna need some more product on this stick here. Let me dive in here and get us a little bit more. She is stunning. Out of all of the YouTube videos I watch, I can honestly say I have not heard about how fabulous these are. But coming from me to you, guys, don't sleep on this. These are good. Okay, little Miss Kiara Sky, you did a real good job here. And while she goes in the nuker, let's take a look at Light and Shadow by Apres. Gorgeous texture. Love the color. Really, they had delicious colors, honestly. And you know it's Apres, so you know it's going to be super, super nice. Over at Sweetie Nail Supply, I have been eyeing these doughy shades. And when I went to the nail supply, they just happened to have it. So you know I had to get it. I really wanted these to be able to do some ombre French natural nails because I have a lot of girls that really, really like their very fresh natural nail sets and their buy-ups. So that's what I got these for. And honestly, they do not disappoint. It was really hard for me to show you on this nail stick, but I'm going to show you best I can. And I'm also going to show you the two other shades that I got. And I can promise you I will be using these on my nails coming up here very, very shortly. So if you're coming across this video and you want to see it on a hand, stay tuned. Now let's get into some creations. Our chrome. And I'm going to be using this particular color from Madam Glam. It's Winter's Mist. It is such a hot color. Absolutely love it, especially right now. I'm kind of obsessed with it. I keep buying similar colors. Anything I see that is like kind of similar or that I think will look really, really complimentary with this color, I'm getting it. Just watch. I can't even, you'll see for yourself. Okay, this is going to go in the nuker and we're going to play with some more doughy. And this is another color. I'm just going to add it to this side of the swatch stick so we can really kind of see the difference in the two shades, and this will just kind of be my little sample piece for myself. The swatch stick is not going to look perfect, but I'm going to just feather it down. Now let's get into my Chrome 29 by Creations. Do you see how gorgeous these two colors go together? Oh my gosh. This is exactly what I was looking for. I mean, this green over here, she already looks chromy. But let's just add this little hint of blue chrome and see what she comes out looking like. Oh my gosh, I think I'm in love. And here's what she looks like before she gets a top coat. Let's throw on a really pretty top coat. Wow, look at that. Acetone. You always need acetone. And this is kind of my little haul here. I have a couple other things that I need to do swatches of, and I'll do it in another video because it will take a bit longer. But meanwhile, I did pretty good, right? I mean, the bill was ugly, but I did pretty good.